The Supreme Court has rejected a GOP challenge to the new legislative maps.
As expected, those maps will now be used for state house and Senate races in the May primary. Daniel Hamburg is here with that now. Daniel.
Alicia and Valerie, these votes were not close. This was a unanimous decision by the Supreme Court, and previously the Legislative Reapportionment Commission voted 4-1 to pass the maps. They will be in place for the next decade.
The court's ruling is very gratifying. We've worked long and hard on this plan.
Mark Nordenberg is the chairman of the Legislative Reapportionment Commission, which passed these two maps in a bipartisan manner, with only House Majority Leader Kerry Benninghoff voting against it.
I see this map as extremely partisan gerrymandering.
Benninghoff said the ruling by the court subordinates the PA Constitution, past court precedent, and basic fairness to artificially create a Democratic majority in the House through deliberate racial and political gerrymandering.
If this plan had ignored the requirements of the Constitution, which also was charged, it wouldn't have been upheld, or it certainly would not have been affirmed unanimously.
State Senate Democratic leader and commission member Jay Costa says he's pleased with the ruling.
This has been the most open, transparent, and fair process as it relates to redistricting that we've seen here in Pennsylvania. When you're talking to someone who was here 10 years ago, where it was 180 degrees different.
The map does affect some mid-state lawmakers. Harrisburg is now split up. Representative Patty Kim's district now includes part of the West Shore.
It's a new challenge, and I'm excited to find ways that I can serve, both communities and maybe even be a bridge to find some of the things that we have in common and work together and not have that divide of the river.
State Representative Andrew Lewis just announced he is not running for re-election, where he'd be pitted against another incumbent in a now Democratic district.
I've had some members who have expressed some concerns about the changing of their districts, but that's the way the process works. It's incumbent upon members to understand that districts change every 10 years. Folks get new areas, they lose areas they've already represented.
Candidates for State House and Senate can start circulating and filing petitions to run on Friday. They'll only have 10 days until March 28th to finish those. The primary is May 17th. In the studio, Daniel Hamburg, ABC 27 News.